Hi students, this is going to walk you through how to take the ELD benchmark that you will be taking through Formative. So the easiest thing to do is to go through ClassLink because that will automatically kind of sign you into Formative. Okay, so if you are on an iPad, you should be able just to click on the ClassLink app. If you are not on an iPad, you might want to go to the Compton USD website, scroll down to the bottom, click Students, and then ClassLink will be the first button here. So you can click on ClassLink. It's going to open up. It might ask you to sign in. I already signed into another student's account. So right now it's open up to my dashboard. I'm going to find Formative, which is a little circle with a check mark. If you have a lot of different apps and you don't see it, you can come up to the top here and search Formative. If you just type in Formative, oh, it does come up. You can type in either Formative or Formative. If you still don't see it after you do that, you may want to come up to the app library and then load it here. Now, it does have a key, which means that it should be locked on your dashboard. So you should be able to find it here. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. So it opens up. It might give you a page that looks like this, and that's okay. Even if you click on install, that's fine too, or you can just click on continue to website. It might ask you to sign into Google, so make sure you click sign into Google, and then it'll ask you which account. And so you want to make sure you choose the ComptonUSD.net account, and it will authenticate you in. Now you're going to look for an assignment that's called HS ELD Benchmark -1. Okay, so this is one way to find it. Once you find that assignment, you're going to click on Open. And here you have the assessment. And so this is where you will do all of your questions, etc. So you'll be able to click in here, answer the questions. There are 51 questions on this, and you have until Friday, December 18th to complete it. Please start it as soon as you can in the week, so that way you can get it out of the way. One thing that I do want to point out is that if you see the little play sign and you see something here that says listening, that means that you need to listen to something before you can answer these questions. So for example, I can click on this.
Listen to a classroom conversation.
I can pause it if I want to pause it. If I didn't hear it or I want to restart it, I can click stop and then I can click play again.
Listen to a classroom conversation.
If I get interrupted, I can press pause and then I can continue.
Listen to a conversation between a girl.
Okay, etc. So I want you to look for this. It'll be highlighted on the left and it says listen. And then you'll see a little play sign here. And you'll be able to listen to the conversation that will help you to answer the question. Okay, and you can also click through. So if you come back the second day and you were on question 20, you can click on question 20 and it will bring you down. I accidentally clicked on the other one. It'll bring you down to that question so that you can continue. And then once you are completed with the assessment, you've completed all 51 questions. You can see here I clicked one answer, so it says I've only done 1 out of 51. Once you've completed all 51 out of 51 questions, then you want to make sure that you click submit, so that way all of your responses will go to your teacher for grading. Okay, I'm going to scroll back up to the top. So this is one way that you can sign in. There's another way that you might be able to sign in if your teacher loaded the assignment onto Google Classroom. And so you can see here it'll say via Formative. It'll have your teacher's name, posted a new assignment via Formative, and it's HS ELD Benchmark, the same title that you would see in Formative. Now if I click on this one, it'll give me the link to Formative, and this is a really direct way to go because it will automatically just launch you into the assessment, and you don't have to search through your assignments and figure out which one is the one that you're supposed to be taking. Okay, so that might be a really direct way. Again, you would want to click on the assignment that your teacher posted, click on this link, and it'll launch you back in. So that might be a really easy way, especially if you're going back a different day to find it. Okay, try your best, Tar Babes. You've got this.